Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the new iPhone SE that's coming out for 2020. So yes, you guys might have heard this is called the iPhone 9 or the iPhone SE 2, but guys, it's really just going to be called the iPhone SE. So I don't know how confusing that's going to be, because remember there was an iPhone SE before that replaced the iPhone, not replaced, but kind of came out as a budget iPhone 5S. So let's go ahead and see how this is going to pan out, and pricing and specs and all that good stuff. Just some information about this, since I think it's very good news, since pre-orders will start pretty soon. So I have some notes here on my iPad. So it says, this is from 9 to 5 Mac, so it's pretty cool. So check them out. So it says, Apple new iPhone will be called the iPhone SE, not the SE2 or the iPhone 9. I said, bummer. I actually liked iPhone 9. Or SE2 at least. I kind of like, honestly, I would call it the iPhone 9, and I think a lot of people were starting to call it the iPhone 9, so it's a shame that they're not going to call it that. So they could start as soon as tomorrow to get orders open for the public, especially with this whole, like COVID-19 thing going around. I'm surprised that they can even manufacture these phones, since some of these are, some of these parts and stuff like that are made in China, and the iPhones are made in China and all that stuff. So I think China's actually recovering now, or they have less cases, so maybe that's why they can open up a factory and start pre-orders. But I don't know if it would be smart for them to do it right now. I know people want new phones, but some people are actually not working, they're unemployed, or some people are waiting for that stimulus check. So maybe with that they'll buy it. Who knows? But shame on you. Use it for bills and all that stuff. So it's going to have the same processor as the iPhone 11. So that's iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, which is pretty cool. It's going to have the A13 chip, which is a very fast chip and very good chip at that. So so far so good. My wife has the iPhone 11 Pro and she loves the phone. The battery life is amazing on it. I actually have Samsung S9 Plus, and I just finished my 2 years on it this month. So it's time for me to upgrade, and I think that's the one to go with. I know people probably could say, upgrade to the iPhone 12, but I don't really need all that stuff. So I think with the A13 chip being in that phone, it's going to be very nice to have. So the colors of this phone are going to include black, white, and product red. So as you can know, or you can imagine already, a lot of people are probably going to get the red. That's the one I'm going to go for. Hopefully they have it in stock when I get it. If not, I'll probably wait a little bit and wait until some of the bugs are actually kind of worked out, because you already know when new iPhone comes out, they are buggy. And not just iPhones, I mean, Galaxies do it too, so. But not bad. Black, white, and red. Only 3 colors so far, but like I said, probably the red one's the one to go with. They will have some cases. They will have black, white, black or white silicone case, and then in leather they'll have a red, black, or midnight blue. So I'll probably go with that red or midnight blue, just see how that goes. That's gonna be pretty cool. You might be saying, what storage size are these iPhones gonna have? Guys, this is gonna be a 64 gigabyte base model, 128 and 256. Wow. So also, yeah, I would probably go with maybe the 128. If not, I'll definitely be good with a 64. My phone has 64 gigs right now, and it's almost full, but not really, because I have a memory card on Android, and that's something that I'm gonna miss. So I don't know. I'll probably jump, if it's not too much more price difference, maybe another $50, another $100 more. I'll probably go with the 128 to tell you the truth. Price of this phone, you might be saying, is, guys, it's only $400, $399. That's very affordable. And if you stick with someone with that does 24-month financing, it's only about $16 a month. That's my son knocking, so he's probably like, hurry up, dad. So this iPhone's gonna look like an iPhone 8. So it's gonna have the same design as the iPhone 8. I just believe the sides are gonna be a little bit different. And then it's going to have better battery life as well, especially better than the iPhone 8. So like I said, sorry for the knocking. It's kind of stuff we can do when you're working from home, But it will have a lot of battery life, because as well the A13 chip is very eco-friendly with its power saving modes and different things. So that's going to be very nice, especially like I said, with that chip. And it's going to be very good for the people that have iPhone 6s or even 7s, and it's time for you guys to upgrade. This is going to be the phone for you. So Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonicwarfare signing off, and hopefully you like these news. And I'm gonna go check out my son, and he's probably hungry or something by now, or just wants to play. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Bye.